Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So first, if you have a screen protector, then I would recommend you guys removing it only if it's misplaced, it's misaligned, or its ratio does not actually add up to the size of the phone, because it can cause the ghost touches. So whenever something's pressing here, then as you guys can see, we won't be able to use the phone. And what I'm doing now is happening because the one finger is holding it, and as you guys can see, with normal screen protector it would work like this. So make sure to remove it if that's the case. Now moving on to your actual phone case, then if it's covering even a tiny bezel of the screen right here, so if it's covering the bezel and it's covering a tiny part of the screen, then it will look like this. So it will be basically the same situation. You won't be able to use your phone, and that's why you would need to remove it if that's the case, if it was made out of a bad dummy phone. Now, I would recommend cleaning your screen to remove any debris or moisture and also get rid of the fingerprints, and you can easily do that by grabbing the microfiber cloth. So I've got one right here, and all we have to do is give it a couple of scrubs. So swipe 3, 4 or 5 times, and now everything should be good. What you guys can do next is restart your phone to refresh the system. Maybe it's the issue with the system and not with the screen or the case, screen protector or whatever. Just swipe up after pressing the power button, and now our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second after it restarts. After the phone restart, what you guys can do is check for software updates to fix any touch glitches. So go over to the settings, now swipe down until you see system and update, and here go to the software update. Now it will check for updates automatically, and you need Wi-Fi for it. So as you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't and you have a button to update and install to the newer one, then I would recommend you guys do that. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.